For South African-born rapper, songwriter and producer Nasty C, 2020 was a massive year. Between a new record deal, international collaborations, and a 48-minute visual journal of Tokyo's sights, sounds, and culture streaming globally, it's difficult to pick out just one achievement. In this episode, we join Nasty C for a brief tour of his time in Japan and discover his fascination with Japanese art, music, and fashion.
I was so into fashion at some point, like I was just obsessed with it. And I always knew Japan was always like the hub of fashion and the hub of art, which is something that I've been obsessed with pretty much all my life. So I always just wanted to go to Japan just to see where all this comes from and just to be in a place that inspired me so much from all the way across the world. I wanted to be in there and touch the soil and really be in this place, you know what I mean? They're definitely the hub of art because of the fashion, that side. Fashion is an art to me, you know? It's especially coming from Japan because everyone dresses to express how they feel, whatever image they want to put out that day. And they do it with 100% passion, no regard whatsoever what someone else will think about it and this and that. The most important thing to them is expressing, you know what I mean? It's getting that expression right through and making sure the message goes unfiltered. It's not like just like riding trend. That's not what they're about. They don't just ride trends. They don't say, oh, this artist was wearing that. Let me see how I can wear that and make it cool. No, people will literally wear the most bizarre things ever just so you can get them. At first glance, when you look at them, you know, oh, that person, they have something to express. You know what I mean? Because it's so similar to our culture, I think it would help them fall back in line when it comes to that. And also just to get inspired, you know, it's something that everybody needs. Everyone needs to be inspired. And I think if they went that side, it'll open up their minds just a whole lot more. And it could only lead to great things from there.